The Palestinians shall have ended all programs, including school curricula and textbooks that serve to incite or promote hatred and antagonism toward its neighbor, or which compensate or incentivize criminal or violent activities. The Palestinians shall have achieved in civilian and law enforcement control over all of its territory and demilitarized its population. The Palestinians shall have complied with all the other terms and conditions of this vision. Status of the border and territory. The plan recognized Palestinian rights to roughly 70% of the West Bank. The plan called for land swaps but dismissed the idea of one-to-one land swap, arguing Palestinians would not receive 100% of the pre-1967 territory but provided for the territory that would be reasonable comparable to pre-1967 territory in exchange for Israel annexing parts of the West Bank. The plans raises the possibilities of stripping the 350,000 Israeli Arab citizens of the 10 towns in the Israel Triangle Zone, such as the Tayyib, Kafir, Qasim, and the Kalansoi, of their Israeli citizenship by transferring their area to a future state of the Palestine. Palestinians would be given parts of the Negev desert disconnected from other parts of the Palestinian state. The Trump plan gives Palestinians less territory than previous proposal. The plan recognized an Israel right to the entire Jordan Valley. Israel regarded the valley as the military strategic. Palestinians regard the valley as an important for agriculture. The valley also allow Palestinian access to the river Jordan, which irrigates 80% hectare acres of the agricultural land in the West Bank. Giving Israel the valley would allow it to divert that water for its own use. According to the Sari Makdasis, the plan would not allow Palestine to control its water resources. Within the West Bank, approximately 97% of the Palestinians would be incorporated into contiguous Palestinian territory and 97% of Israelis into contiguous Israeli territory. On February 3, 2020, Trump plan raised the possibilities that 11 Arab border towns part of the Israel 21st raised the possibility of that 11 Arab border town parts of the Israel 21st Arab minority become relocated. A future Palestinian state and residents fear losing their ties to the land. When asked, David Friedman denied that Arab residents in Israel would lose citizenship. The implementation of the plan is conditional, being subjected to the Gaza criteria, and would only processed if the governance of the Gaza Strip at present is administered by Hamas were transferred back either to the Palestinian Authority or another Palestinian entirely. Israel approves of the technical feasibilities of such a transformation of the Gaza's governance is not clear. According to these conditions, Hamas, the PIJ, and all the other militaries and the organization in Gaza which Israel classifies as a terrorist would have to be disarmed. Gaza would be fully demilitarized, and Hamas itself would be required to commit itself to making peace with the state of the Israel by adopting the quadrat principles, which includes unambiguously and explicitly recognizing the state of Israel and committed the non-violence and accepting previous agreement and obligation between the parties.